Climate change is the most critical issue our planet is facing at the moment. What's the big deal about climate change? No one cares. The temperature will increase and so, more warmer days, that's better. Rising temperatures mean rising sea levels. Scientists predict that if the global average temperature increases by 3 degrees, parts of major cities such as Amsterdam, Venice, Bangkok, Kolkata, Basra and many more will be deep under seawater, displacing over 275 million people. If we don't act now, by 2050, air pollution will make you think twice before opening your window. We'll have to wear masks all the time when we go outside. Wow, what's being done about it? Clearly not enough. While there is a lot that the government and institutions can do, we as individuals can also play our part. And what can I do? Here are 10 simple things that you, me and you can do to help reduce climate change. Reduce energy usage. There are loads of small steps that you can take to reduce your carbon footprint at home. You must already be switching off your lights when they're not in use, but how about the time when your TV, laptop or air conditioning was running and you weren't around? It's all about being conscious of these small things. Or you could replace your light bulbs with energy efficient options such as LEDs. Maybe even put on extra layers when it's cold and turn down the heating by 1 or 2 degrees. These simple things can all help reduce energy usage. If you're wondering what a carbon footprint is, it's the amount of carbon dioxide released into the air because of our energy needs. And if we all save energy, less energy will need to be generated, which will help reduce the carbon footprint from the power plants generating the electricity. Move to a plant-based diet. Avoiding meat and dairy products is one of the ways you can help the environment. Raising livestock, cows, pigs, chickens, it generates a tremendous amount of greenhouse gas emissions. Lots of deforestation is done every year to graze cattle and to grow crops to feed billions of farmed animals. Instead of destroying these forests, we need to preserve them. Trees help fight climate change by absorbing the carbon dioxide while releasing oxygen back into the air. In addition, cows also produce large amounts of methane, a greenhouse gas, as they digest their food. So next time you choose a plant-based diet, give yourself a pat for helping the cause. And if you can't give up a meat-based diet altogether, take baby steps. Have you heard about weekday vegetarian? Buy local and seasonal produce. Now let's look at the food we buy that has a carbon footprint attached to it too. Must be wondering how? It uses machinery and resources to grow, harvest, package, store, and transport it. So simply by purchasing local produce, you can reduce the carbon emissions from storage and transportation. And if you buy seasonal stuff like seasonal fruit and veg, you can help reduce the energy used for storing and preserving them. Switch to walking. Why not leave the car at home for that short journey and switch to walking? Or maybe even cycling. You'll help the planet by reducing carbon emissions, enjoy health benefits, and save money. Win-win situation, isn't it? If it's not practical, maybe think of taking some public transport. Those buses and trains are gonna run anyway. Or maybe carpool. Cut back on flying. Aeroplanes burn large amounts of fossil fuels, producing significant greenhouse gas emissions. So if you're flying for work, you could consider the option of video conferencing. Or if you're going on a trip within the country, maybe take a train instead. Also, for your holidays, you could consider a nearby destination. Less carbon emissions and it helps domestic tourism too. We're halfway through the video. Just by doing these little things, look at how much of a positive impact you can make. Plant trees. If you have some extra time on your hands, why not do some gardening? Plant trees or other plants is definitely good for the environment, and plus it's a good excuse to spend some time outdoors. Cut down consumption and waste. Everything we use has a carbon footprint attached to it, so avoid single-use items like disposable cups and plates, plastic cutlery and straws, single-use plastic shopping bags, bottled water. Use a reusable water bottle and drink fresh every day, knowing that you aren't the reason for plastic wastage. Don't throw food away. When you throw food away, you're wasting the energy and resources that went into growing, producing, packaging and transporting it. And when the food rots in the landfill, it produces methane, a powerful greenhouse gas. So use what you buy and compost any leftovers. You'll save money and environment both. Repair and reuse. Another way to minimize waste is to repair and reuse. Many things we throw away haven't reached the end of their life yet. So before getting rid of them, think of a simple repair can give that item more life. Maybe that piece of furniture or clothing can serve you some more life with a repair. Or you could give the item new life by donating it to someone. Use websites like freecycle.org or Facebook Market to donate your things for free. Recycle. And if you can't repair or reuse, recycle if you can. There are loads of everyday things that can be recycled. Paper, cardboard, glass, most of the plastic, tin cans. How does that help? It means less new raw materials will be required to produce new products. They can be made from recycled materials, and that will also mean there is less trash and less waste sent to landfills, decreasing the greenhouse gas emissions. Hope this video gave you some ideas of how you can play your part in saving our generations and the generations to come when it comes to climate change. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. See you next time. Till then, take good care of yourself.